Is this the keyboard that finally bridges the gap between wireless convenience and mechanical performance? The Hexgears X5 lands on my desk promising a lot, and honestly, it's got some serious contenders for your attention. Right off the bat, the build quality feels solid, and that dark, frosted finish on the PBT keycaps is a nice touch, resisting fingerprints and that dreaded shine that plagues so many keyboards. What really sets this one apart are those Box 3 clicky switches. They're designed for speed and durability, and you can feel it. Typing on this feels incredibly responsive, with a satisfying, tactile click that's not overly loud but definitely present. For gaming, this translates to near-instantaneous input, especially with the N key rollover. I never once experienced any ghosting or missed key presses, even during frantic gaming sessions. It genuinely feels like every command registers the moment you think it. The dual-mode connectivity is a huge plus. The 2.4 GHz wireless is impressively stable and zero latency, which is crucial for gaming. It's great to have that clean, wireless desk setup without sacrificing performance. And when you need that absolute rock-solid connection, the USB-C wired option is there, offering a reliable fallback. Compatibility is also broad, working seamlessly with both Windows and Mac. The included wrist rest is a thoughtful addition. It's surprisingly comfortable and attaches magnetically, making it easy to remove if you prefer. It definitely helps reduce fatigue during those marathon typing or gaming sessions. The minimalist aesthetic is also appealing, and while this dark version is sleek, the mention of a white backlight with 16 dynamic modes on the white model sounds pretty cool for those who like a bit of flair. This dark version has a crisp white backlight, which is subtle but effective. The dedicated FN combination key for media and backlight control is a smart design choice, keeping essential functions easily accessible without cluttering the main layout. It's these little quality-of-life features that elevate a good keyboard to a great one. Overall, the Hexgears X5 is a compelling package. It delivers on its promise of speed, durability, and versatility, offering a fantastic mechanical typing and gaming experience in both wired and wireless modes. It's a strong contender for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance keyboard that doesn't compromise on comfort or aesthetics.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.